Hello, EMS students. This is Ms. Barlow, the media specialist. I am going to be showing you in this video how to figure out what your public library virtual card number is. That is going to help you access all of the virtual resources through the public library, Cecil County Public Library. Then I'm going to show you guys how to use this number to create a Hoopla account specifically. So your library card number, the way that you figure this out is you take your student ID number. That's the 5 digits at the end of your login, as well as the digits that you use in the lunchroom that you punch in the lunchroom. Those 5 digits are going to go into the 5 boxes in that top number to create your library card number. And then you also need a PIN number. It's sort of like a password to get into your library account. Don't get confused and use your usual password. It's actually just your student ID number over again. So those exact same 5 digits that you entered into the top number to get your library card number. There is actually a Google Slides that you can make a copy of from the Media Center website that allows you to actually type those numbers into these blanks. Once you know your library card number, you're going to go to hoopladigital.com. That's HOOPLADIGITAL.com. And then in the center, there is a blue button that says Get Started Today. Click on that. Now you're going to fill out your information. So first you're going to put your school email address into this box and this box. That is the username that you use to log into a Chromebook, along with @ccps.org at the end. And then you're going to choose a password. I would choose your school password to make things easier. So the digits with the 3 zeros at the end is perfect for the password choice. So click Agree. And now you need to look up your public library. Our public library is Cecil County Public Library. If it doesn't pop up here in this list, just start spelling out Cecil County and it will pop up. And you're going to choose the next button. And now you need to put in your library card number. So it's that number that starts with 21885, and then you've got some digits along with your own student identification number. Just make sure that you type in the correct number here. And then your PIN number is just your student ID number over again. Once you click Sign Me Up, it's going to give you this generic thank you message. So you can just click on Done to get rid of that. Then you can search for a specific title in the search bar at the top if you would like to, or you can scroll down and choose a title from the options. I've chosen The One and Only Ivan. It's an audio book, and I can click on the See More section to read a description. Then I can click on the Borrow button if I choose to borrow that title. Now that I've clicked on Borrow the Title, I just got a kind of a general message. I can close that out. And now I have borrowed The One and Only Ivan. You'll notice that it says play instead of borrow right under the picture. I can click on play and it will begin the audiobook for me. I can pause the audiobook. I can change the volume, and then I can click on the caret all the way to the left to pull the full set of options up for me. I can bookmark where I leave off and then return to my saved bookmarks whenever I return to the audiobook. So let's say I leave this page and I go back to the general Hoopla page, and I'd like to get back to the audiobook that I borrowed. Under My Hoopla, there is a currently borrowed option. If I click on that, then I can go back to Ivan anytime and it will return me to where I left off. That's how you sign up for a Hoopla account.